Good morning, everyone. I'm Terlin Jafia, along with my friends from Grade 7, Amity International School, near Raipur, here with the topic that how to save the water for the future generation. Water and food conservation is one of the primary concerns in today's world. One of its main reasons is due to water shortage. What is the impact of water shortage? When water runs dry, people cannot get enough water to drink, feed crops, and do the other basic things with water. An economic decline may happen. In addition, inadequate sanitation may also occur. An estimated 55 million people are globally affected by droughts, and there are more serious vulnerability to livestock and crops. Drought increases the risk of deaths, diseases, and fuel mass migration. Water shortage impacts 40% of the entire world population. As water is essential for agriculture production and food, a lack of water can harm the agricultural output. Some of the main factors of water shortage are climate changes, natural calamities such as droughts and floods, increased human consumption, and overuse and wastage of water, and many other factors which exacerbates water shortage. How has it impacted worldwide? Africa is experiencing the worst drought. The drought has troubled the agriculture, which caused extreme food shortages. Without enough water, millions of livestock have died and harvests have failed. About 7 million children in the region are malnourished and 1.5 million people have been displaced. Across Yemen, countless rural villages lack basic service with water, but access to safe drinking water is one of the biggest problems. Thank you. Now I would like to call Jenna for the further explanation.
To save water for future generation, we can take several steps, like fixing leaks. Regularly check and repair any leaks in your home or workplace to avoid unnecessary water wastage. Mulching. Apply mulch to your garden to retain moisture and reduce the need of frequent watering. Limit wasteful practices. Avoid leaving taps open. Don't overfill pools and baths, and use a broom instead of a hose to clean outdoor areas. Water efficient appliances. Use water saving appliances like for low flow toilets, water efficient washing machines and dishwashers. By taking these steps, we can contribute in preserving water resources for future generation. By taking now I would like to call Abhimanyu for further explanation.
Our idea is hydroponics IV, which is presented on both national and international stage from a quite long time, but it's quite underrated. I would like to explain it by this model. The rainwater and the groundwater is stored in tank 1 and tank 2. From there it goes to reservoir 1. From the reservoir 1 it goes to this biofilter and it's filtered. Then it goes to the hydroponics tower and the water is recirculated between the plants. When the plants take the nutrients, it goes to the reservoir 2 and from there it goes to biofilter and it's filtered, and then it goes to the fish tank. From the fish tank it again goes to this biofilter. From there it goes to reservoir 1 again. This process is recirculating between this. In this model, two ecosystems are sustained. Evaporation is reduced because it has an enclosed structure. It is better than a traditional farming method because it gives directly the water to the roots. Now I would like to call Alia for the further information.
As they explained the system, hydroponics offers several advantages which include water efficiency, nutrient-rich plants, and reduced chemical usage. In this, unlike the traditional farming method, this system relies on a completely natural process. This means that there is a minimal need for chemicals like fertilizers or pesticides. This also includes year-round production, space saving. As this system can be set up vertically or in small areas, this doesn't need a large space. Diverse productions. We can grow a variety of plants and raise variety of fishes. The future in hydroponics looks promising as more innovations and research occur. The scope of improvement which will shape the future in hydroponics are technological advancements, commercial scalability, education and awareness, environmental sustainability, and global adoption. Overall, the future in hydroponics is expected to be driven by the advancements in technology, increased awareness of food production. We would like to thank our chairperson ma'am and headmistress ma'am to give us this platform for our idea.
Thank you.